Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we're swapping our desks for hard hats and heading out to a pretty awesome construction site. We've got a fantastic project on our hands. We're building a brand new community park right from scratch. Okay, before we even dream about planting a single tree or laying down any grass, we've got to get our plan straight. The first step is always the most important one. And that very first step, it's all about understanding the space we're working with. In our world, we've got a word for that. We call it finding the area. All it means, really, is figuring out exactly how much ground our beautiful new park is going to cover. Now, this is where things get interesting. I mean, if we were just building a simple square field, this would be a piece of cake. But just look at our blueprint. We've got these cool winding paths, unique picnic spots, and forested corners. These aren't your basic shapes. So how in the world do we get an accurate measurement for these custom zones? Well, you need the right tools for the job. So let's open up our geometry toolbox. Our first specialized tool is one you'll definitely recognize, the triangle. The one thing you've got to remember is that a triangle is really just half of a rectangle. It's that simple. And mastering this shape is absolutely essential for our work here. So since a triangle is just a rectangle sliced in half, the formula for its area is super straightforward. First, you multiply its base by its height, just like you would for the full rectangle. Then, since it's only half the shape, you just divide that number by 2. And there you have it, base times height divided by 2. Simple, clean, and gets the job done. All right, let's grab our next tool. This one is for some of the real heavy lifting on our site, the trapezoid. You can spot this shape all over the blueprint. It's that one with 2 parallel sides, but they have different lengths. This one takes a few more steps, but trust me, it's just as crucial. Okay, so for this one, the order of operations is everything. First thing you do is add the 2 parallel sides, we call them base 1 and base 2, together. Got that? Good. Next, you multiply that sum by the height of the trapezoid. And for the final step, just like with the triangle, you divide the whole thing by 2. And that's it, our second key formula for the day. All right, crew, here's your mission. I need you to look at this park map, figure out the shape of each zone, and then use the right formula to calculate its area. And listen, precision is absolutely non-negotiable. One little miscalculation means we order the wrong amount of sod, blow the budget, and delay this entire project. We can't have that. So, grab your calculators and let's get these numbers crunched. We've got the blue zone for the woods, the green for our picnic areas, and the white for all that open space. Every single one needs a precise calculation. We've got our tools, we've got our mission, we've got a park to build. Let's get to work.